Software Spring. Presents. How to use REGEXEXTRACT to extract top-level domains, or TLDs, from email IDs in Google Sheets. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on using the REGEXEXTRACT function to extract TLDs from email addresses. In an email address, the text label, which is the last part of the address, is the top-level domain, or TLD. The objective of this tutorial is to extract top-level domains from email IDs. Before we get started, I request you to please subscribe to this channel. Thank you for your support. Alright, for an intro to REGEXEXTRACT, please refer to the tutorial, How to use REGEXEXTRACT in Google Sheets, whose link is given in the description. Okay, let's take a look at the syntax of the REGEXEXTRACT function formula. Here is an example. Cell A3 has the text, which, in this case, is an email address. This is the regular expression. Going forward, let's extract the TLDs from these email addresses. A REGEXEXTRACT function formula for this task is: A3 is the address of the cell with an email address. The first double quote complies with the formula's syntax. /dot tells the function to treat the dot as a literal. Key point: if only dot was used instead of /dot, then the dot would have represented any single character. So, it is essential to use the escape character, /. This part of the expression tells that any character can follow the dot, except another dot. Star means one or more of the non-dot characters. $symbol represents the end of the string. Alright, we are all set to type the formula. There you go. REGEXEXTRACT has extracted the TLDs from the email addresses. Summary: REGEXEXTRACT can extract TLDs or any other part of email addresses easily. The REGEXEXTRACT function formula is: a regular expression is a pattern of characters. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.